What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add Gmail sidebar in Slack. So what you're going to do is guys, on your left you will be having the option which says more with the three dots. Let's go over there and just choose the first option which says automations, and over here just type Gmail and just choose this option which says Slack for Gmail. Add it. It will redirect you to something else. So here choose add to Slack. Then it will ask you to install it. Guys, don't worry, just install it. Then choose your account, continue, and then just allow it. And it has been installed guys, just choose done. Now just load it, and that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.